What's happening, beautiful people? Jim here, and in this channel it's all about tech reviews and how-to videos. So if you're interested in videos like that, please don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell. And don't forget to check the description box for more info. And for today's video, you and I will be unboxing together the Ray-Ban Meta AI Smart Glasses. And what I have here is the Wayfarer. Alright, so the outside packaging is not bad. It's not great either, but you know, it's all good. Okay, and now let's go ahead and open this one up. Oh, let's open. Ooh, nice. So this here is the case, and it feels like it's like leather, suede kind of thing. All right, and you have the USB-C charger. The bottom there, nothing up top, nothing on the side, or except for this one. Oh, it's a button. I don't know what it is, but it's a button. Oh, okay, there you go. So when I press this, I guess it tells me that, hey, you know what? It's on. Nice. Okay, so that's that. Let's just put this on the side for the meantime. What else do we have here? Okay, we have this one. What is this? Let's pull this out. Why am I having a hard time pulling everything out? Okay, so this is the Ray-Ban Meta cloth. There you go. Okay, and the other side is, I would assume, like the documentations and things like that. Yep, so getting started. Okay, tells you to download the Meta View app, which is basically this one right here. And what, your smart glasses with prescription lenses? No, thank you. I'm okay. And what else do we have here? And of course, safety and warranty. Okay, that's it. The box, nothing there. So I'm gonna put this on the side right there, and I'm gonna go and check out the actual glasses, because this is the reason why we're doing this. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so I guess when you open it up, it tells you that, hey, you have battery. There we go. So I guess it's leather. Yeah, feels like leather. And it has this Ray-Ban Meta printed over there. Nothing really special here. Let's remove this and find out exactly what else do we have here. Okay, nothing else. Oh, okay, so I guess this is the charging point. Okay, just remove that, I guess. All right, so that means the contact is, yep, it's right there. That's the contact for the charging. All right, I'm gonna put it there. Now I'm assuming, because there was this plastic here, that this one is actually not charged. So we'll leave it the way it is. Okay, there we go. There you go. Huh. It's plastic. It's made of plastic, so I guess this is the one that we use for cleaning. Okay, yeah, that's the one. And on the sides here, got some information there, the sizes, as well as on the side here, you got the Ray-Ban Wayfarer Luxottica. Okay, so you've got the Ray-Ban logo there, and the Ray-Ban signature on this side here. And of course, you've got the two cameras right there. What else do we have here? I believe that's a speaker right there. And that's another speaker here. Okay, there's a button here. I don't know what this button does. Oh, I think maybe this is like, hey Meta, or something like that. Okay, here's another switch. This is a switch. Okay, so it has a red, so I guess this is the turn on and the on and off button. Okay, so nothing yet, because I don't think this is charged. And of course, you've got the contacts over there, and I think those are microphones right there, or probably not, but it looks like, okay, you've got another microphone here, so that's a microphone. So I'm assuming that's a microphone as well. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, speaker. You've got a couple of speakers down here too on the other side. And that's pretty much it, but it looks pretty cool though. Let's try it on. Do I look like a smart person now? What's going on? Hello, my name is Jim, and thank you for watching. Okay. Yeah, so if I turn this on, nothing happens. So what I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna charge this. Tomorrow we'll be going on a trip to Kelowna. So I'm gonna be using this tomorrow, and you know, we'll see how this thing works. All right, beautiful people, that is it for this video. I thank you for sticking with me until the end. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell as well. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye.